Okay, so tonight we're eating honeydew. Mm. Mm. Mhm. 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 Mm. They're all so cute. Let me get another piece. Belly. Panda. Molly. No, slowly. And mommy feed you. Be nice. Mm. Mm. Mhm. Mochi. Marsh. Kim. Luna. Molly. Panda, I give you a big piece. Since you're a big boy. Big boy eating fruit. Good boy. Good vitamin C for you guys. Mm. Mhm. 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 Kim. Mhm. Pickle. One more. Molly, you want more? Mhm. You guys are adorable. So cute. Here you go, tofu. I didn't realize. And then Prince wants some too. All the kids like cantaloupe. I mean honeydew. Mimi, come down with you. Here. 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 No more. Okay. More Kim. And Velu. Let me get the big piece for Panda. Panda, you get the big piece, okay? Mm-hmm. And then Prince down here, big piece. Mm, so cute. Let me get, no, Mimi, be nice to your brother. Hmm? Mm-hmm. 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 Pickle. Molly. So cute. And I noticed it.